Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. And just like how Auntie Melissa said, we're here in San Francisco's own Chinatown, which is the largest Chinatown outside of Asia. As you look around, you'll notice there are a lot of markets and gift shops. So if you're souvenir shopping, you might want to consider Chinatown. We also came upon and learned about the Barbary Coast Trail, which is a walking trail that you can do that leads you to all of the historic places that tell San Francisco's story between 1849 gold rush and the 1906 earthquake. There are 180 of these plaques all around the city, and one is here in Chinatown. We finally made it to Ross Alley, which is an alleyway that is home to the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. Here it is, the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. This is the reason why we came to Chinatown. And the air smells heavenly out here, like warm waffle cones. The line to get into the Fortune Cookie Factory was pretty long, but trust me, it goes by really fast.
You don't need the color, so that's your color. Line up. Keep it in line up.
Hi everyone, this is Travels by Auntie Jennie. We're here in San Francisco, and we're going to the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. It was a nice touch to see the factory give out samples as customers wait in line to get in.
Thank you. Look. Like kindly. Yeah. Ooh. Try one. Smells like waffles around here.
And due to COVID-19, they encourage social distancing. We finally made it into the factory. As you look around, you'll notice a lot of pre-packaged flavored fortune cookies, along with awards and pictures of famous people that come and visit the factory. There's also a section of pictures with the owner and local police visiting the factory, and that's pretty cool to me. Some of the flavored fortune cookies that you can get here are strawberry, matcha, and chocolate. And check out those big fortune cookies back there. They're as big as a child's head. It's from my understanding that there is only a 4-second window to be able to fold the fortune cookie in its unique shape. After the 4 seconds, it's unfoldable. And those cookies get tossed into those big containers where they'll sell it as is or use them for flavored cookies. At this station, you are able to personalize your fortune cookie. The factory provides the little slip of paper and a pen to write it down. You then hand it off with your Chinese takeout box that perfectly fits 1 to 2 fortune cookies. And voila, it is done. Thank you.
Oh, good. The fortune cookies. It's good?
How about you, Kalea?
I got the regular and strawberry flavor.
It's $3.50 a bag, not bad.
Pretty good.
Hi Travels by Auntie Jennie, this is Niece Maria, and Auntie Jennie bought me a customized fortune cookie from the Fortune Cookie Factory in Chinatown, SF. So let's see what's inside. There's a fortune cookie.
And there's a special fortune in there for you.
Here, let's crack it. Travels by Auntie. Travels by Auntie Jennie.
That's a fortune.
Please follow and subscribe.
That's a fortune. Throw that fortune on.
Please follow and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when visiting the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory here in Chinatown of San Francisco. And if you've really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.